Alright, today we're going to look at the Trinity aluminum magazine. This is for the new 2011 mechanical only A5. It's got a little bit different adapter plate here. It's going to go all the way back over the tombstone adapter. In the package you get the clip, the adapter, and then this smaller screw that you will need. First you got to take the clip off from the adapter. So that we can get to where that screw attaches. You can't go through the bottom. This clip here is solid. Screws out. Now you can see the hole that screw is going to set into when we put it on the A5. Take your A5, like I said, it's 2011 mechanical version. Take a 3/16 Allen wrench and remove your lower bolt. Also on this version you have to remove the front lower receiver bolt to get that front grip off. Set that aside. You can go ahead and put this receiver bolt back in. It's using an 1/8" Allen wrench. That'll help the body lock back in place. And take your adapter plate, slide it over the hose. You have to kind of spread it a little bit to get it to slide onto the grip itself, and then get it up. Go ahead and put this bolt in. Now that nut on the inside of the body can slide back and forth, so you want to make sure that you have it lined up when you tighten that screw down. Slide our magazine back in and put screws back in. And these are just self-tapping screws going into the aluminum. So you don't want to get them too tight. You don't have to really wrench on them because you don't want to strip them out. So tight enough they're not going to fall out, but don't need to turn them too far. And put our last two in here. You might have to hold it, put some pressure on to get those screw holes lined up. And there you go. Installed. This is the Trinity aluminum magazine. That new adapter plate. This also, like I said, goes over the tombstone adapter, so you've got more than just that original basic plate you might see on some of the other styles. Trinity also offers a 30 round and a 10 round. So I'll take this back off and we'll slide them on so you can see what they look like as well. Just to give you some style options. Of course, any of these magazines will look even better with a barrel kit or a stock. Give you that full tactical look. And these adapter plates that are all aluminum, you won't have any problem with them breaking or anything like that. So that was the aluminum version. We're just going to set these on here. Of course, you'd install them the same way. Take those screws out to get the clip on. or the adapter on, and then put the screws back in with the clip. This is with the 30 round magazine. And with the 10 round magazine. You can see how easy these are sliding off and on. So it's really easy to install. It's just you've got to disassemble them to get that bolt in. There's with the 10 round. Oops. Get it so you guys can see it from the other side. There you go. Those are the new clip options from Trinity. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.